Hey and welcome to Alpha One. As you can see, we have lately been building up our small account for binary option with a robot. This is Alpha One Trader. Now I want to run it on a big account. Today is a Sunday. You can use the link you find up there right now, and you also can have this robot I will show you in this video. If you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, put them below the video. Also make sure you check out my free Forex channel. You find link below the video to that also. But now let's start up Alpha One iBot on a big account. So there we have it. We got a winning trade. Let's see how much money we made. We made $4,209. So cool to run this robot once again on a big account. We will continue with the small account next week, okay? But with that, have an amazing day, and if you want the robot, link below the video.